equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Today, we are diving into the process of replacing the original motor in your Dyson SV17 vacuum cleaner. This task can seem daunting, but with the right tools and guidance, you'll have your vacuum running like new in no time. Let's get started. First, gather your tools. You will need a T15 torque screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to keep everything organized. Begin by unplugging your Dyson SV17. Safety is paramount, so ensure it's completely disconnected from any power source. Next, remove the dust canister by pressing the release button and lifting it off. This will give you better access to the motor area. Now, using the T15 torque screwdriver, remove the screws located at the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off. You may need to use the flathead screwdriver to pry it open if it's stuck. Be careful not to damage any clips or connectors during this process. With the cover removed, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, take a moment to clean any dust or debris from the area using your soft brush. This will help ensure that your new motor operates efficiently. Next, disconnect the motor from the wiring harness. There will be a connector that you can gently pull apart. Remember to take note of how the wires are connected, as you'll need to replicate this with the new motor. Now, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws holding it down. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the housing. If you find it difficult to remove, check for any additional screws or clips that may be holding it in place. At this point, you can install the new motor. Place it into the housing and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the wiring harness, ensuring that each wire is connected to the correct terminal. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, and our pickup and delivery service at your home can make this process hassle-free. Once the motor is securely in place and connected, it's time to reattach the cover. Align it properly and press down until it clicks into place. Then, replace the screws at the base of the vacuum to secure the cover. Finally, reattach the dust canister. Plug your Dyson SV17 back in and give it a test run. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor. If you encounter any issues or prefer not to tackle this yourself, don't hesitate to reach out. We provide quotes before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Plus, with no calls and no travel required, we make it easy for you to get your vacuum back in top shape without any hassle. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.